Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious cheese quesadillas in your air fryer. First, gather your simple ingredients. You will need 8-inch flour tortillas and about 2 cups of your favorite shredded cheese, such as a cheddar or Monterey Jack blend. Also, have some cooking spray or a small amount of melted butter on hand. Begin by preheating your air fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Now, let's assemble your quesadillas. Take 1 8-inch flour tortilla and lay it flat on a clean surface. Sprinkle approximately 1/2 cup of your shredded cheese evenly over just 1/2 of the tortilla. Next, carefully fold the empty half of the tortilla over the cheese-covered half, creating a crescent shape. For extra crispiness, lightly spray the top of the folded quesadilla with cooking spray or brush with melted butter. It's time to air fry your quesadillas to golden perfection. Carefully place 1 or 2 prepared quesadillas into your preheated air fryer basket, making sure they do not overlap. Cook them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 3 minutes. Then, gently open the air fryer, flip each quesadilla over, and cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. They should be beautifully golden brown and crispy. Once your quesadillas are perfectly crispy and the cheese is melted, carefully remove them from the air fryer. Let them cool for just about 1 minute before cutting each one into 3 or 4 triangles. Serve these delicious, warm quesadillas immediately with your favorite toppings, such as fresh salsa, creamy guacamole, or cool sour cream. Enjoy your quick and easy air-fried cheese quesadilla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.